Oh, you dimwit! Are you sure you know how to operate one of these?
We're practically experts. You just gotta keep the train on those long metal kinda thingamadubbies.
You mean the tracks?
Oh, well, yeah, if you want to get technical.
Just get us there fast and in one piece. I'll be in my private car.
The train's moving! Hurry!
Oh, the sweet smell of success. Or is that a pin feather up my nose?
Wait, where's Rolly?
Down here! Rolly!
Grab my paw, Rolly. I'll pull you up.
Get real! You'll both just fall overboard and be horribly mangled on rusty railway spikes! No offense, Rolly. It's all right. Hang on, Rolly! I'll save you! You'll save him? Oh, Papa!
Rolly!
Spot, that was amazing! You give new meaning to the word chicken.
Goodness gracious. Oh, 1 second, please. What are we going? All right.
Someone's still in the railway car girdle.
Oh, nonsense. It's right. Gravy, we've been shanghaied.
Come on, let's go get him.
Stay calm, cadet.
But we gotta do something fast.
Well, yes, but not until we know what we're up against. Roll. Spot. Can't dig. Initiate parking chain distress call. Lucky and I will do some reconnaissance here.
You mean spying? Cool!
Bongo, have you seen Lucky, Rolly, and Cadpig this morning?
No. Maybe they're off with...
Shh! Quiet, everyone! Listen! Did you hear that? The Colonel and the puppies are on the railway car heading towards Mount Sherwood.
If we hurry, we can cut them off at the Stifel train station.
What's going on? Where are they going? Okay, you guys. What is so interesting about the railway?
It's a fake! Roger, you don't think Cruella...
I always think Cruella. Now the question is, how can we track her down?